What's up, guys? It's BMX riding here. This is my dad's puppy right here. We're gonna be playing with him. Oh, what's up, little buddy? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Puppy's first vlog. Woo. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be playing with him. He's a little butthole. Hey, come here. Remington, come here. Come here. Guys, he is sniffing the camera right now. Hey, don't lick my phone. Come on, little bud. Look it. It moves, look. See? It moves, little puppy. It's moving. Hey, come here. Get your hand. Get your hand. Get your hand. Get the hand. Ow. Oh, butthole. Come on, man. Don't fly. Oh, you getting all angry? Huh? Getting all angry? Oh, you getting all angry? No. Comet. Chillax. Hey, chillax. Hey, be a good boy. Chillax. Oh, yeah, we'll wait. Hey, little buddy. Hey. Alright, get away from the present. Hey, get away from the present. Hey, get away. No, get away. I don't want to know what my presents are. Come here. Hey. Chillax. Got chillax, dog. Chillax, little puppies. Get Dad. Get him. Does he have your slippers? Come here, little puppies. Come here. Hey. Remy, come here.
What are you doing, little bud?
Don't go outside. What'd you say? Remy. Dad, he's coming outside with you. He's too small to go down the stairs, though.